And now I am need download driver Canon PIXMA Home Official. This video disclaimer I am recommendation for Windows 11 and this here the your type driver download. That's why I am search the official website. I am like the download official website, the official website new driver and first download not a virus. Okay, this here official website. Click here and this here the landing page Canon driver and this here the driver for Windows, for Mac, for Linux. Step 1 I am search for Linux. This here driver for Linux and you select here operating system version. Click here this here for Linux and you're looking here this here the for Linux release update and that release update and this here the for Linux I am recommendation for you download a package driver. Okay, this here for Mac OS, this here for Mac operating system for the version you click here. This here the new driver Mac 12 and Mac 11 and this here you're looking here that release and this here the driver for Wi-Fi connect, the G scan and speed and easy print editor and this here the complete driver for Mac. Okay, next driver for Windows. This here the driver for Windows. I am select the system operation. Click here. Version system operation. This here is system operation for Mac for Windows 11, Windows 8, Windows 9.1, Windows 9, Windows 7, Windows Server, Windows Vista. Okay, this video I am need download driver Windows 11. Click here, Windows 11, and this white website loading. Okay, it's loading finish and this here the for the real driver recommendation for you can click here and you look at the new that release update and this is the driver print only and this is the print and functionality and you scroll on this is the poster assistant update and poster ads leads and Wi-Fi assistant and easy for looking to this is video easy layout editor easy assistant tool and this Windows 11 is here complete driver scanner or driver Wi-Fi. This is the complete driver. Okay, click here and please wait. Loading again. Okay, this here about the driver. The driver, this is the outline, and this is the request. System requirement for the Windows 11 support and Windows 7 support and now support Windows Server, now support Windows XP. Okay, this is the Windows 7, Windows 11, Windows 8. Okay, Windows 11. This is the setup instruction. This instruction install progress. This install procedure. And this is your step by step the install. You're looking here. Okay, and double click the download file. Will be uh, decompressed for the setup screen will be displayed. Follow the instruction to install the software or perform your necessity. Okay, this is the information, and if you need to load, you click here or button show. Okay, click here. I have read and agree to the and agree to the things of the disclaimer. Okay, this is the button download. Click here. This driver download. If you need install driver for your printer, you turn on the power printer. You put cable USB driver for the laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect the USB cable printer, and you please what finish driver download. You click run as the driver. Driver detect automatic for the cable printer. If you need install for the Wi-Fi, you connect the printer for the Wi-Fi. You look in the IP printer and you click run driver. Driver detect the IP printer. Okay. If you need question, comment below. If you need link download below this driver Canon PIXMA Home Official. This video